All right, we're back again today here at Carolina ChiroCare and Rehab with our office coordinator, Christy. And Christy, you were in last week. We're here for a follow-up visit. You were having some neck pain when you turned your head, and just tell us how you were doing afterwards. It's still there a little bit after one treatment, but it feels better. And how are you doing?
It feels a lot better. I can tell that I'm ready for another treatment, and I'm looking forward to it because I always feel better after I get a treatment.
Okay, that's great, but we got to get this to go away, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so let's take a look. Can you turn your head to the right all the way? And is there pain with that?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. And what if you go to the other right?
That is not as painful.
Okay, and then let's look all the way up and down.
No.
Okay, so there's a little pain when she turns to the left, a little restriction when she turns her head. So let's take a look. Can you go face up here on the table?
Okay.
So we're just gonna stretch this out a little bit. Is that okay? Sometimes the muscles can really clench on when you're sitting at a computer all day and cause a lot of neck pain and upper back pain. And let's see, we'll scoot down a little here on the table.
Is that good?
Yes.
Okay.
Cross both arms. Good. All right, let's come on up.
Oh, easier said than done.
There you have it, folks. There's a chiropractic adjustment on our office coordinator, Christy. Until next time, thank you very much. It's your Raleigh chiropractor, Dr. Jeffrey Gerdes. See you next time.
Much better.